Hello friends, welcome to Home Style Creation. We all want to admire ourselves in front of the mirror. We all want to look smart when we go out. But what happens when we are unable to locate our things while dressing up? Hello friends, in today's video I will be telling you how you can organize your dressing table so that all your things can be in a proper way and it is very easy for you to dress up rather than having a last minute hassles. So let's get started.
In this first drawer, I have kept most used item. I have used small organizers to give it a good look. This glass jar is a reused item. I have used it to keep my Lakme CC cream, my makeup brushes, my eye pencil, my eye sketch pen, and also one scissor in this. I have also reused this paper board which I got during my purchase of some cosmetic item. I keep my Tic Tac pens intact in this. This is my another small tray organizer. In this organizer, I keep my butterfly pins, my nail filer, and you will also find one makeup brush because if I keep it in my glass container and close my drawer, the brush hairs get broken up. These are the bangles that has been gifted to me by my very close friend and I rarely wear them these days. So I have kept it in this upper drawer. In this small basket, I keep my daily used rubber band, my clutcher. This is my everyday use makeup box. In this small box, this is a chocolate box and I have reused it to keep my makeup sponge. This is a lipstick sharpener. This is a Lakme sharpener and there are two types of compact which I have kept. In this small tray, I have kept all my favorite nail polishes with a nail paint remover and it is very convenient and easy to look for your nail polish rather than searching for here and there. This is my night serum. I use this night serum every day and apply it on my face before going to bed, so I keep it here. This how my first drawer look organized, neat and clean. Now let's have a look at the second drawer. In this drawer, I have kept organizers for my jewelry which I keep wearing it whenever I go out. I have made use of these type of jewelry box which has small partition in it and helps me to keep my jewelry neat and clean. This is my another makeup box. I use this whenever I go out for some weddings or some get together or some family occasions. This is my another organizer and I have tried to keep all my colored eye pencil in this box with a small talc, and this is a USB cable of this eyebrow remover and you can also use it as an upper lip remover. I will share all the link in the description box. This is my favorite L'Oreal foundation. I use this foundation whenever I go out on some weddings or some big occasions. This is an organizer. In this I have kept all my lip shade. This that I was talking about couple of minutes back is a eyebrow remover. It works very well. If you want, you can purchase this and make use of it. This how my second drawer look like. Now let's go and have a look at the third drawer. In this drawer, I have labeled my items so that it reminds me what all is there in these bags. Like I have kept one bag which says loose jewelry bags. In this, I kept small bags. Like this box is there where I keep my party wear clips. I have made one pouch in which I keep my sanitary pad. This is a brush that I use for traveling. This is a small pouch in which I keep little amount of makeup items that I can keep. I have tried and reused this jewelry box and I have using it for pins, Jura pins and some fancy pins. This is my favorite face mask. I keep all my new party clip bands here. This is another reuse item in which I keep all my safety pin. This is what we call it as a katori wax. These are the loose buttons that tend to fall down and I kept it in this. These are some extra makeup sponge, my hair color that I use, one spare Lakme CC cream, a mirror that we required while going out somewhere, and that is my hair dryer. This is the way I have organized my all the three drawers. Now let's have a look at the upper one. This lower shelf is a place where my husband keep his medicine, and there these are two all outs which we keep here away from my son's reach. In this second block, I have used this basket and I have kept all different types of combs that is being used, along with a hair oil, coconut hair oil, which I kept it here. In this shelf, I have kept all the creams. These are two creams because one is about to get over and another one is there. I have kept Himalaya cream, my Lotus sunscreen, my Pond's, Gulab Gel, Livon. These are the three serums or a flavored drop that I use it during my bath. This has been given to me by my friend. This is the upper shelf in which my husband keep all his favorite perfumes and deos, and these are some my favorite perfumes and deos which I use them occasionally. I have used these mats which give a good look to my dressing table shelf. These mats are really very good. You can even wash it and reuse them. This how my complete dressing table looks like.
I hope you liked my video and this will help you to organize your dressing table in a better way. So please don't forget to hit the like button and also please subscribe to my channel to get more information and more videos on organization. Till then, take care.